Now, traders, the best way for a beginner trader with zero experience to start making money from the Forex market as quick as this is through copy trading. Now, if you don't know what copy trading is, copy trading is a portfolio management strategy that allows you to copy the position taken by other traders or investors. Now, with copy trading, you're not trading, you are literally copying someone else's trades. These trades go directly to your account. Now, through this way, this can enable beginners with zero experience to start making money from the Forex market. As most of you guys know, any beginner trader, before they can start to make money from the Forex market, they have to lose so much money. So if they can invest a small amount of money into copy trading, they can be able to make money before even learning how to trade. Now we're going to be looking at FastBull. This is a platform that we're going to be looking at, and we're going to be looking at their copy trading. So you have to come to the website. The website is fastbull.com, as you can see. Now when you come onto the FastBull website, you're going to scroll down to the last page, as you can see, and then you're going to tap top traders. When you tap top traders, they're going to bring for you very many big top guys that are trading in the Forex game. Now, through these traders, you can choose someone best for you. Someone that has a big winning rate, a small losing percentage, and so many more. There's so many things we consider before you can choose copy trading. Now, as you can see, when I scroll through, we can see we have so many guys. We have this person right here with over 29% profit return. As you can see, over $29,313. As you can see. Then we have also this person right here. He has a crazy return of 28.77%, as you can see. Then we have James David, as you can see right here, who has a 27.74% return, as you can see. And also you can see the profit and loss ratio, as you can see, 0.50, 0.6, which is crazy, and then 0.51, which is, again, this is so crazy, traders, as you can see. Then the win rate for this one right here is 69.91%, as you can see. This is 65.00%, and then this one has the craziest one, which is 72.26%, as you can see. So there's so many traders, as you can see, but I'm going to just look at the first one right here, which is James David, as you can see. Now when you notice that we have this right here, this is FastBull, and this indicates that he's trading a live account, and this is a VIP, as you can see. Now I'm going to look at James David. Can you really copy James David? And if really, how much would you make? Now this is James David, as you can see. Now the first thing I want to always look out for is the return, as you can see. So now the return is 27.74%, which is crazy. But now not just the return, we also have to look out for the maximum drawdown. How much has he lost so far on his account? As you can see, when you tap here, you can see maximum drawdown refers to the maximum loss experienced since the account opening. For newly accounts, maximum drawdown is based on account balance. So you can see it's 8%. This is fine, traders. This is fine, meaning he has not gone beyond 10% of his own account. Remember, for those that do prop farm challenges, they always tell you if you lose a maximum drawdown of 12%, you lose the account. And also you can see some of the trades that he has been taking right here. As you can see, August 27th, he took a trade and he made over $5,000. 26th, he made $2,000. And then also on August 23, he made $82, as you can see, guys. Now I'm just going to look at the month of August. How much did he make and how much did he lose? So we're going to scroll down here, as you can see right here, and then we're going to put this month right there. Now guys, look at this. This is this month, and I'm going to expand this. So this month he has made over $12,000. He has traded with 8 lots, as you can see. He has placed in 8 orders, because as you can see up here, average lot is 1. Then profit and loss ratio is 3.16, which is crazy. Win rate is 87.50%. Guys, if I'm to tell you, win rates sometimes don't matter, but if you find someone who has a crazy win rate like this is really mad. Guys, this is really mad. Then holding period 3.7 days average. That is the time when he holds his trades, as you can see. Now we go to the most important things. What is the average profit and what is the average loss? So I'll first with the average profit. The average profit is $1,840. That is the average profit. And then maximum profit per trade, $5,303, guys. That is the maximum. As you can see, that is crazy. You see, the fact that he's using a 1-1 lot on each trade, and then maximum loss per trade is only $500, guys. Proper risk management. Proper risk management, as you can see, guys. So this is a very good trader. This is a very, very good trader, guys. As you can see, so far this month he has made over 12,000 US dollars back. You see, traders. Now the other thing we always want to look out for is how many people are following this guy. Because remember, mostly big traders always have like the most guys. So if I'm to come back up here, you can see he has over 2.25k followers, guys. This is a guy that I would recommend for you if you're to do copy trading. This is the guy for you, as you can see right here. You see, he's called James David. As you can see, as I told you, they trade live accounts. This is not demo account. This is not jokes right here. Now, for you to copy trade him, you tap copy right here, and then you tap copy. You can connect to your trading broker, as you can see. So you can add the account and then tap in here. You can choose MT4, MT5 right here, or you can even choose FastBull like that, as you can see. Now I'm going to choose MT5, as you can see, and then here I can choose the broker that I'm using. Me, I use Xness, and then here I'm going to put in my account, and then I put in the master password. Now traders, do I recommend copy trading? I recommend copy trading if you're a beginner trader and probably you have zero experience and probably have money sitting around. Now, instead of wasting this money putting it to clubs, drinking alcohol, and doing all these funny things, I recommend you do copy trading. You see, because in copy trading you can see someone, whatever trades they're taking, you're learning from their risk management, as you can see, their discipline and everything. Because when you look here, you can see this trader here that hasn't been trading every single day. You can see probably he takes some trades on 23, then again 26, again 27. As you can see, he skips some days, what we call discipline. So I recommend copy trading if you're a beginner trader and probably have money sitting around. Then also people who do a 9 to 5 and probably you have money sitting around and you don't have time to trade, I recommend copy trading for you. But again, choose the best trader for you. Don't just copy anyone. Choose the best trader for you. Someone who has a lot of followers, someone who has a nice return, and also a small drawdown. Choose someone that is best for you, guys. So the platform is called FastBull. I'm going to be leaving the link below this video, guys. Make sure to get the link and sign up for FastBull and check out these top traders. Now traders, FastBull also offers this chart right here. Now you see, you don't need to always open trading view and then look for trades. We can do everything with this platform, as you can see, guys, and also we can even place trades. Now the most interesting thing here, you can see this is my account right here, guys. As you can see, this is the demo account that I opened. As you can see, now this is the demo account. I can just place trades when I'm probably back testing or doing anything like that, as you can see, guys. And also when you look down here, we have this part right here. Trump says he will vote against the Florida amendment enshrining abortion rights, as you can see, guys. Literally, the news events just pop up from down here, as you can see, guys. You can even click on it and then go on to its page, as you can see. So everything is just in this one page. And also, again, you can modify this. You can put it into the best settings that you want, guys. So I'm going to be leaving the link for FastBull, guys. Make sure to check it out. Now traders, back to this copy trading thing. So this new month that is coming up of September, I'm going to be depositing 10,000 US dollars, and I'm going to be trading it the whole of that month. Now, if you wish to copy trade my trades, feel free, guys. I'll be leaving the link below this video, guys. Copy trade me. Every trade that I place onto my account, it will definitely go onto your account smoothly, guys. Risk management is checked, psychology is checked, and everything is checked, guys. Only thing we are in here for is the money, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.